Bonjour et bienvenue sur EzeeFrench. This is our final lesson of the Beginner Foundation series. Today, we'll review everything we've learned and practice with a mini conversation. By the end, you'll be able to introduce yourself, ask questions, and answer in French, just like in real life. Part 1. Quick review. Alphabet and pronunciation. French has 26 letters, but the sounds are different. Tricky vowels. A, U, O, E. Example. Été, summer. Roi, king. Greetings. Bonjour, hello, good morning. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, hi, informal. Au revoir, goodbye. Bonne nuit, good night. Introducing yourself. Je m'appelle, name, my name is. Enchanté, nice to meet you. J'habite à, city, I live in. Numbers, days and time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Days, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Months, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Everyday vocabulary. Une table, une chaise, un livre, une voiture. Adjectives. Il est grand. He is tall. Elle est petite. She is small. La maison est belle. The house is beautiful. Questions and negation. Tu parles français? Do you speak French? Je ne parle pas espagnol. I don't speak Spanish. Pourquoi? Où? Comment? Part 2. Building a mini conversation. Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles? Bonjour, je m'appelle Julien. Et toi? Je m'appelle Anna. Tu parles français? Oui, je parle un peu français. Et toi? Oui, mais je ne parle pas espagnol. Où habites-tu? J'habite à Londres. Et toi? J'habite à Paris. Tu aimes Paris? Oui, j'aime beaucoup Paris. Part 3. Practice together. Repeat this dialogue with me. First, I'll play Julien and you'll be Anna. Then switch. This helps you train your ear, your pronunciation, and your memory. Part 4. Wrap up and motivation. Félicitations! You've completed the EzeeFrench Beginner Foundation series. Now you can read and pronounce the French alphabet, greet and introduce yourself, count, talk about dates and time, describe people and things, ask questions and say no, have a short conversation in French. Ah, that's huge progress! Keep practicing daily and don't stop here. In the next series, we'll go deeper into French grammar, vocabulary, and real conversations so you can level up even faster. Merci beaucoup d'avoir appris avec nous et à très bientôt sur EzeeFrench.